Buat polling do Menteri Berdaya Kemi Ketenat Kam Jongok Kai Pertai Kejelah Hakenok Paisngi Jong Sau Terik Uyayong Arjar Pulai Ulawan Banjurep Yaka Tan Kendai Lat Nak Bertemu Ban Pen Keluat Yaka Nak Benta Kejengibet Ya Biang Lang Kinong Lek Nang Wan Kum Juru Kikali Hakening Katan Kabalan Nang Kapnya Kat Nang Mi Isngi Yo buat polling do la senran lang daki officer na Ketenat Baper Bat Kibor Pulit Haba kren skilat Patai Kubor Ubat Pol Ulaong Bonya kren Sani Bahaya Kadeka Pang Namar Wat La Kadei Kebajuat Hindrai Hapan Weng Yaka Ula kedauru halor kejing kapnya namar kejing bambiang kijaka syong ya kibadi jing di harut lentiyat kejan badrut surak badlo angru bakane kapang habanya tai bha kumnu banle
Kalau hadirin jom ke meeting ke kalau dapat tolong ke involve lang ya ke police department, bagi department, Atiar, DC's office kita dia ngi kuat ban ya dan di benda juga besar ban long tik tang nam tadi long ya meaning pedestrians di namar ba besar para pelak kawai kalau kita dapat kali bermudan sudah jangan lagi apa ya koi kata kebaar kumdo bangin penpoi yang tak keplan planning jom ke sorga akan involve buat bagi department di jingga ki bami kimbon dari inum pet tangi jingga pet kumno bangin job ye kita jingga ki solution ada di kata kita approach ke jungi ban jingga ngut ke jonga jongi ke sorga bangin na bangin dot jaga ba hik tang ki bayar jajan kalau tak kami ke baca tang Shillong dan iwi stage dia balik ke pelabuhan dong Shillong dia kata kita kita pun di bang gila badle di tambah ke Shillong tadi interest jom ke state jom like pusat lak kawan Hashwane interest jom like ngut ki beri kawan Hashwane di ini pecah interest jom overall hangu ke jing don kap ke relax relax with technical restrictions it's our work this inspection is an offshoot of meeting I organized feedback on 2 points. One is declaration of parts of Shillong as pedestrian zones for worker zone, and the other is no honking zones. So Shillong has become very toxic in the sense that pedestrians, it's very difficult for them to walk across, and the amount of honking, hearing horns taking place all across the city, even in front of major hospitals. That is something that we would like to tackle. So today's meeting was organized in that way. And, yeah.